All right, the moment of truth. Will this 16-year-old Schlage Deadbolt have a second chance at life? Let's find out, shall we? Let's give credit where credit is due. My brother Norton literally was going to drive from the Norton Hills where he lives, and he was going to bring me a set of latches and doorknobs for my doors. But as you can see, this hardware is old, and yes, the door is old as well. But the Schlage doorknob and deadbolt set, I'm not sure exactly what this model is, but I've had this installed here in my place for more than 16 years. So those of you who know your key hardware, please put that down in the comments. I would gladly appreciate it, because basically I don't even know what the model of this set is. So credits to my brother Norton for wanting to help out in this situation. Yes, I told him that I ordered a new latch. That's the one that's inside right now. And it's working perfectly, as you just saw. With that said, let's move over onto the next clip so you can see the insides. Hi everyone, 270 EHA19 here, back in your tube with another video. What you're seeing on your screen right now are two Schlage deadbolt latches. And what you're seeing right now, there is a difference among the two that hopefully it is self-explanatory. Now, the one that is far from you is the one that was previously installed on my door, and the one near you is the one that is. And if we look to the sides right over here, now the one on the right is the one that was previously installed on my door. And just look at the door plates on the one here on the right and the one here on the left. And you can see that the one on the left is rounder than the one that's on the right. Does Schlage still manufacture these deadbolts with rounded out door plates? I'm just curious, because to me, it seems old stock. And I know exactly how to smell old stock, old hardware. But anyways, they do look the same. They do look identical. And one of the things that I wanted to search when changing these latches, as you can see right over here, there's a shaft with the screw holes. And if you can see the numbers, it can tell you right up top of the shaft, that this latch is adjustable either to 2 3/8 or 2 3/4, which is really nice. And all you have to do is just adjust this little slider over here, and you can be able to accommodate it to any door. So I had mine adjusted to 2 3/4. And this new latch, well, it looks basically the same. And here's the incident that happened. 3 days ago on Monday, as I was getting ready to do an errand with my parents over to Leominster, Mass, I was getting ready to open the door, and then this arm right over here broke from the shaft, leaving this thing over here stuck in a lock position. So I actually had to get out the back door and figure this out later, which I did. And all I had to do was take 2 Allen wrenches, put one here in the center of the shaft, and then put one up over here, and then just slide this to open up the door. And as you can see, because I'm doing it with my hands right now, the Allen wrenches was something that I had to figure out, which came out pretty handy. So all I had to do was, once I positioned the Allen wrench right over here up top, all I had to do was just slide it, and that's it. It moves the stopper right out of the way, and that's how I was able to open the door. Now this new latch right over here, all I have to do, if you can see how the shaft moves, yes, this one moves smooth like butter, just how you saw it on the previous clip. But I just wanted to show this section so that you guys can see the insides of these latches. And this was something that I had to learn 3 days ago. And when I went on eBay, I actually had to look around for these these Schlage door latches. And I had to look very carefully to make sure that I find the same one that is adjustable, and one that has the little hole right over here that you see on the shafts. Other than that, if you haven't yet, please do the YouTube procedures. Like, dislike, ring that bell, and subscribe. This is 270 EHA19, simply saying thank you for watching.